This session we are going to see an outline of your CloudSim architecture that you can able to incorporate it in your package in your any of the software. So as we have been mentioned, we can able to adopt in any environment. Here we are using Java language. For Java, we can able to either use NetBeans or Eclipse. I have been used Apache NetBeans IDE, and the appropriate jar files for your CloudSim have been incorporated using add jar to this library to this particular project. Okay, we have been added commons math and CloudSim to have this code to be run, and this code can able to illustrate the mandate lines of code to be followed for your any scheduling algorithm to be deployed in a CloudSim environment. So the mandate processes, you have to incorporate the necessary libraries. The necessary libraries taken from org.cloudbugs.cloudsim, all the class files that has been incorporated here. Through this very more specific, we have been make use of CloudSim to initialize, not only initialize, we can start the simulation, stop the simulation, and retrieve the results. So these will be taken up from the CloudSim environment. And to have the timestamp to be taken up, we have used java.util.start to take the timestamp from the calendar class using getInstance method. So as of the Java class round robin scheduler, we have been incorporated 3 parameters. One, the number of users. Second one is the calendar, to which you can able to get the timestamp value. And third one, the trace flag. Using this, we are just going to initialize the CloudSim environment. Using init method, we are passing these parameters. Once you have been passed, you can able to configure your infrastructure. Your infrastructure may be a data center, broker, virtual machines that the instances are going to run it, and the cloudlet where the user task or the job has been equipped with. So this is your infrastructure that you are going to configure. Once you have been configured, you are just going to integrate it, the instances and the cloudlet to the broker. Once the setup has been done, you can able to start the simulation. The process will be automated. The task which are equipped by the processing element completes its task and moves on to the next task to be done. So we can able to collect all those results as an intermediate stage. And once all the results has been collected, you can stop the simulation. You're just going to shutting down all the resources that are equipped with. And this is the outline of your cloud simulation environment. You are supposed to initialize it. You are supposed to have the configuration to be laid out, start the simulation, identify the results, and stop the simulation part.